Hello, welcome to SuccessTrack TV. I'm TJ, and I'm so happy that you found my channel. Today I would like to talk to you about the top financial investments for young people. So if you're a young adult looking to invest your hard-earned money, then this video is for you. But before we begin and get into this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Then leave a comment below this video saying I've subscribed, and I'll try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Starting to invest at a young age allows for a longer time horizon to weather market fluctuations and potentially earn higher returns through compound interest. It also enables young people to prepare for their future financial goals like retirement, buying a house, or starting a business. So the question is, what are the top financial investments for young people? Here are several high-quality options to consider. Index funds are a type of mutual fund or exchange-traded fund that aims to replicate the performance of a stock market index like the S&P 500. They are considered a low-cost, low-management option and have been shown to perform as well as or better than actively managed funds over the long term. Another high-quality option is target date funds. Target date funds are a type of mutual fund that automatically adjusts the asset allocation based on the target date, usually the retirement date. These funds are designed to become more conservative as the target date approaches, making them a good choice for young investors who have a long time horizon. Roth IRA is a type of individual retirement account that allows making contributions after tax. Withdrawals are penalty and tax-free. A Roth IRA can be a great option for young investors who expect to be in a higher tax bracket in retirement. Another high-quality option is a diversified portfolio. Investing in a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds or ETFs across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate can help spread out risk and provide a balance of long-term growth and income. Speaking of real estate, rental property can be a high-quality investment option for young investors due to its potential for steady cash flow, appreciation, tax benefits, forced savings, and leverage. A 401k plan offered by an employer can also be a high-quality option for a young investor. 401k plans are a type of employer-sponsored retirement savings plan that allows employees to save and invest a portion of their income on a pre-tax basis. Here are some benefits of a 401k plan. Convenience. 401k plans are easy to set up and typically require little effort to maintain. The second benefit is that these plans are tax-advantaged. Contributions are made pre-tax, which can reduce the amount of taxes you owe in the current year. These plans offer employer matching. Some employers match a percentage of employee contributions, effectively giving the employee free money to invest. Another benefit is automatic savings. Many 401k plans offer automatic enrollment and automatic escalation of contributions, which can help young investors establish a savings habit early on. 401k plans typically offer a variety of investment options, including mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, which can provide diversification for the investor. It's important to note that some 401k plans might have high fees or limited investment options, so it's important for young investors to do their due diligence and compare plans before enrolling. Additionally, some 401k plans have vesting schedules, meaning that employer contributions will only be yours after a certain period of time, usually a few years. So, if you change jobs, you might not take all the employer contributions with you. As always, it's a good idea to consult a financial advisor and review investment options to ensure that they align with long-term goals and risk tolerance. One last thing before you leave, if you liked this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Also, make sure to watch the next video that's coming up. Thanks for visiting SuccessTrack TV.